Hi, I'm Ian from the Jessops Academy, and this evening we're at the coast testing out a 10-stop Lee filter. Just got my exposure settings, I think, correct. Got a nice pier with a leading line, and we're just touching the edge of the pier with a nice bit of light, which will give me a good focus point. So I've got my camera set up, all nice and stable. I'm using the remote shooting facility on a Panasonic S1R, which is fantastic. It means that once I've set my exposure, I can walk away. We're looking at a 2-minute exposure on this particular shot. So here we go. So the advantage of using something like a Lee filter system is you can actually stack filters. So you can use more than one. Effectively, if I wanted to use a polarizer and a graduated filter, what this system allows me to do that, I can stack them on top of each other. Filter system is fully rotatable as well. So it may be that your horizon is higher or lower in your frame, and you can move the graduated filter down to suit that. I can also adjust where the graduation is coming from an angle perspective. Might be that I've got, like the scene in front of us at the moment, the light's in one particular area of the frame, so I can just tweak that filter and where it starts to graduate. Really useful. So with Lee filter systems, they use glass filters. They're all exceptional quality, and that's mainly because they are glass. The light transfer capability of a glass filter is so much better than any acrylic or plastic you're going to find on the market. I can honestly say, of all the filter systems I've used in my photography career, this is the #1. Absolutely phenomenal results. And this new holder, the Lee 100 holder, just makes it so much easier to get your filters on and off. The spring mechanism on the side, you've got 3 settings. Firstly, which is completely open, you can spring it on and off. Got another setting which means you can not pull it off accidentally, but you can rotate it, and that's really important, especially with the grads. And then of course there's another setting where you can both rotate and take off the filter system from the ring. Really simple, makes complete sense to a photographer. A lot of neutral density filters you have to screw in, which can be a real palaver, especially when you're trying to play around with composition. The beauty of this new holder system is it's got a spring-loaded attachment. You can just clip it on and off. So if you do need to make adjustments or just change the filter system completely or take the filter off, you're not having to unscrew things. Really, it is so much easier for a landscape photographer to work that way. Build quality of the system is still exceptional, but it's actually slightly lighter as well, which does help when you put it in your kit bag full of lenses. I'm thoroughly enjoying using it. So I've just changed locations now. So we're looking at this pier front on. And I've also added a graduated filter in the front, just to give me some extra movement in the sky, give me even more time to just suck more colour in. I've taken a few shots already, it's having a really good effect. Great thing about Lee graduated filters, just like any other graduated filter, is I can move it up and down really easily in this filter system, and equally I can change it. Although it's pretty straight on at the moment, if I wanted to I can just rotate it, just like so, just to get exactly the right exposure graduation depending on my horizon line and where the light's coming from. If you'd like to see the pictures I've taken this evening, then check out our Instagram, which is #JessopsAcademy, and we'd love to see some of the things you've done as well. So again, use the same hashtag, #JessopsAcademy. Shots ready, let's take a look. Fantastic. Nice. you'd like to get your hands on a Lee 100 filter system, then check out jessops.com for more information. From me personally, I think they're fantastic. I thoroughly recommend it. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stick the all important bell icon on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.